am G.Gayathri, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany. Today we are seeing the topic is classification of algae. In 1935, F.E. Fitch was classified the whole of the algae into 11 classes on the basis of types of pigments, nature of reserve food material and mode of reproduction. They are Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Bacillariophyceae and Dinophyceae, Chloromonadidae, Euglenidae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae and Mixophyceae. The classification is published in the book The Title of The Structure and Reproduction of Algae. The first class is Chlorophyceae. Occurrence: most forms are freshwater, few are marine. Pigments is chlorophyll A, B and carotenoids. Reserve food material is starch. Structure is unicellular motile to heterozygous filaments. Reproduction is isogamous to advanced oogamous type. Isogamous means the male and female gametes are equal in size. The heterogamous or oogamous is the male gamete is too small and the female gamete is too big. The example of Chlorophyceae is wallwax. The next class is Xanthophyceae. It's the yellow-green algae. Occurrence of its most forms are freshwater but few are marine. Pigments like xanthophyll. Reserve food material is oil. Structure is unicellular motile to simple filamentous type of algae seen in the classes. Reproduction is rarely isogamous types. Example of this Bacteria. The next class is Chrysophyceae. Chrysophyceae most are occurs in cold freshwater. The pigments is phycochrysin. Reserve food material is fat and leucosin. Structure is unicellular motile to branched filaments. The example of this Chrysophyceae is Dinobrion. The next class is Bacillariophyceae. It's a yellow or golden brown algae. The occurrence is most of freshwater, sea and terrestrial habitats. Pigments like yellow or golden brown. Reserve food material is fat and velutin. Structure of its most are unicellular but few are colonial in form. Reproduction is the special type of reproduction that's a protoplast fusion in some cases. Example of this Spinularia. The next class is Cryptophyceae. Occurrence both are marine but few are freshwater. The pigments is shades of brown. Reserve food material is solid carbohydrate and some cases it's starch. Structure is a special structure of coccoid in structure. The flagella is slightly unequal. Reproduction is isogamous in these cases. Example of this Chromonas. The next class is Dinophyceae. Occurrence: the algae are most are seawater but few are freshwater. Pigments like dark yellow, brown color pigments. Reserve food materials like starch and oil. Structure of its unicellular branched filaments. Reproduction is rare. Its often is isogamous. Example of is dinoflagellate and Serratia. The next class is Chloromonadidae. All are freshwater forms. Pigments like bright green in color, slightly added the xanthophyll. Reserve food material is oil. The structure of this motile flagellate with two equal flagella. The motile means the alga used to locomotion. Help of flagella. The next class is Euglenidae. Occurrence like freshwater, few are marine. Pigments like chromatophores are pure green in color. Reproduction is isogamous in type. Example of its Euglenia. It's the Euglena. The next class is Phaeophyceae. It's a brown algae. Occurrence is mostly marine. The pigments like chlorophyll A, B and carotenoids like xanthophyll. Reserve food material is mannitol and laminating starch. Structure of its filamentous and bulky parenchymatous forms. Reproduction like isogamous to oogamous, advanced to oogamous in types. Example of this ectocarpus and sargassum. The next type is Rhodophyceae. It's a red algae. Occurrence like freshwater and few are marine. The pigments like a phycoerythrin. It's a special pigments. It gives the color of the algae in red color. Phycoerythrin and blue phycocyanine. Chlorophyll A and D and carotenoids. Reserve food material is fluoridine starch. Structure of its simple filamentous structure. Reproduction like isogamous to advanced to oogamous type. Example of its Polycyphonia. The 11th class is Mixophyceae. Occurrence is sea and fresh water. Pigments like chlorophyll A, B, xanthophyll and carotenoids. Reserve food material is sugar and glycogen. Structure of its simple type of filamentous. Reproduction like no sexual reproduction. It's only occur in the vegetative type of reproduction. It's like a fragmentation. The example of its oscillatoria and a nasdaq. This session will be seen in 11 classification of algae. Thank you to all.